Hi viewers, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to make a silk thread bangle, single bangle easily. Let's start. Take a bangle. I have wrapped a pink color thread around a bangle. Apply a glue, divide it into half and apply glue only half of the bangle and paste a green color ball chain at the center. After pasting, cut at the end. Now again apply glue. And paste a white color stone chain. At the side of a green color chain. After pasting, cut at the end. And now again green color ball chain. Now after pasting, cut at the end. Now we have finished one side. Turn it on other side and apply glue. After applying, paste white color stone chain. Cut at the end after pasting. And now again a last step is to paste again green color ball chain at the corner. Cut at the end after pasting. And now take a small gold color balls and pink color thread. I have taken 10 strands. Paste at the corner of another part of a bangle. Apply glue and paste the thread. And insert one ball. And that ball kept at the left side. Again insert another ball and keep the ball on the right side and wrap it again. Similarly do this for the balance area. Keep a ball opposite to opposite sides like this. You can also try this. Very easy one. Okay viewers, if you like this video, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.